Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this shirt in 5 minutes or less. Let's go. You will need paintbrushes, paint, a blow dryer, a weeder tool, some freezer paper, and a shirt. You're going to take your freezer paper and you're going to make sure that the shiny part is facing up when you put it on the cutting mat. Okay, so because you're using this as an iron-on transfer, be sure to select mirror image on your Cricut machine. Once the image is finished cutting, you're going to go ahead and slowly take it off of the cutting mat so that you can place it on your shirt. Carefully place the freezer paper on top of the shirt and begin to iron it down until it sticks. Once you complete that, then you'll be ready to move to the next step, which is actually painting. Let's go. Okay, so you can see my image is stuck to my shirt. You're going to go ahead and take your cardboard insert to keep the paint from bleeding through the other side. And now let's paint. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just gently dabbing the paint into the garment that I have. And you want to make sure to cover it, really well. I'm going to go ahead and speed this process up so you're not going to hear me talking for a few. Okay, so now it's about time for me to get the blow dryer. And I didn't feel like waiting 3 hours for it to dry, so I just got the blow dryer to speed things up a little bit. And as I was drying, I noticed that my red paint needed some more color in it. So you're going to see me apply some more red paint. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and dry it once more. Now once it's completely dry, then you're going to start to peel off the stencil. As you can see here, I'm peeling back the freezer paper. And be very careful when you're doing this part. I still have to take out the little small bits and pieces. Okay, voila, and there you go. There's your shirt in 5 minutes or less. Now, be sure to get some Teflon paper or some parchment paper just to heat set your garment, and then you're ready to go. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video, and let me know what other DIY videos you guys would like. Thank you for watching.